So that's just part of an intense hailstorm that battered Arlington. A severe storm cell swept through the DFW area. At one point, nearly 8,000 customers were without power as a result of that hail. Also in North Texas, this was what it looked like as the storm swept across the region. As you can see, it's a pretty impressive lightning show that's going on. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning and tornado watch for the region. And you can see some of the funnel clouds there in that picture. Flights to and from Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport got disrupted due to the hazardous weather. A DFW area auto dealer says he saw the storm develop.
Looked up and you could see it was coming from this way, and then this one was coming this way, and you could see like circulation in it. So I thought it'd be best for everybody to get inside, and right at that time it just like quadrupled in intensity with the storm.
Saw it and survived. Look at the dealership. That was David Mullins there recounting what he saw on the ground. The store that he was at, you can see clearly there's significant damage all around.